Kamiti ya mbunge nene yegiye UGIMA niyo iriungirite rwangi rwa kwendia ndawa ni Kemsa muchini munene jwa Nairobi. Ya kamiti baba baugite nibonete kuri kaunti na marandu ja manene muno jare kurandurwa ni Kemsa na bekira wira nebo gutigira kaunti ni chikura. Kamiti ji nikinyite kinya na gwika gikaro na kwaraniria na urungamiri bwa Kemsa kenda guchwa ntaira cha mathina jara zombita kuroja kirumira rwangi rwa UGIMA. Anthony Kathenya na gutwacho.
Nyuma ya kamiti ya bunge nene ya UGIMA bwa mweli kuthithia ndionga muthenya wa igoro kiri gitengo kia NHIF muthenya wa umri kamiti no nthirwe kierekera imwe kwa imwe mpaka UBICINE ja gitengo gia kwiga na kwendia ndawa ja thirikari gia Kemsa. Gitengo kile kiri thirikari mbitukia Rais Uhuru Kenyatta kiagwetete na ungumania mwingi abunge baba bagikinyaga UBICINE ja gitengo iki kenda kwimenyithania na uruti ngugi bwakio.
The purpose of this visit is actually for the members, the new members of the Health Committee, to get acquainted with the structures, the processes, and also the challenges that Kemsa is meeting. You are aware in the recent past there's been a problem, problems that came during the COVID period that has brought a lot of challenges to Kemsa.
Kamiti ni ya bunge nene ni thirwe kithina mbere na musemanio na gitengo iki gia Kemsa kwa mathaa kathumba. Nyuma ya musemanio jo kamiti ni thirwe kieleithia ati mathina maingi mara mainyirite gitengo iki gia Kemsa maumanite na madeni kumuke thirikari ja kaunti. Nyuma ya musemanio jo kamiti ni thirwe kieleithia ati mathina maingi mara mainyirite gitengo iki gia Kemsa maumanite na marandu kumuke thirikari ja kaunti.
For example, there are issues of debts which have not been paid, although they have supplied. And interestingly, most of these are actually from the counties, the government facilities, the Ministry of Health. So those are issues that we need to look at. Kemsa needs to have its funds. And so if debts outside there, that's a major challenge.
Kulinga na CEO wa Kemsa Tere Kiunge mpaka dhaino county jina ndeni ya bilioni 3 katantajiri.
We have 3.2 billion that is owed by counties at the moment, and we are working very closely with the COG and county governors to get this money recovered.
Kamiti ni ya bunge nene leo ni lithitikire gutigira county ino ikule ya mbesi ja Kemsa bakethiro bakigwatanana na kamiti ya UGIMA bwa mwili kiri bunge ya Senate kenda gutigira bobo kuingua.
They have challenges, they are addressing the challenges, and we as the Health Committee will go deeper into this and will find out areas where with the support of the Health Committee in the working together with the Ministry of Health and also working together with the Health Committee in the Senate, because the Health Committee in the Senate has more responsibility over the counties. So if we want to get into the issues of the county, we will have to work together with the Health Committee in the Senate.
Kagita gaka kamiti no nendekithite kwithirwo kwina ngwataniro mbega gatigati ga Kemsa na thirikari ja county kenda gutigira county ino kuona ndawa ja kwigana mathibitari-ini amana machine ja gutritaje.
Seeing the challenges, seeing the effort they are making, seeing the improvement they are putting in place, but it does appear to us that there is still a lot more they need to do, because if we are going to achieve universal health cover, the biggest issue in health provision is the provision of health products, that is drugs and technologies. Those are things like equipment, and it is Kemsa who is responsible for making that available to the counties. And you know, most of health now are actually run by the counties except the referral hospitals.
Dr. Nyikal has articulated, we do have quite a lot of work still left for us to do, but we are very much on that journey of getting the institution back to where it belongs so that we can get the medicines to the patient, because ultimately that is the end goal. The President has been very clear about his promise for healthcare, and we are very committed to delivering that promise.
Kuuma muji muneno Nairobi, Beta Anthony, rangi wa Kathenya.